Let's come up with some video ideas for our channel. As a reminder, we're an IT services company that specializes in DevSecOps and automating cloud and cybersecurity for businesses.
Oh, I got an idea. We can do a science fiction movie where we're saving the planet from alien invaders.
Ooh, aliens. That's a great idea. But we need some other aspect of it. Like, can we bring like dragons in?
Guys,
And they're like breathing fire all over the place, and just like it's like dragons and aliens and humans. It's just like this epic battle.
And time travel.
Yes.
those ideas are great, but they don't really align with what we do here at EITR. We're not saving the world. We're helping other businesses with our expertise in DevSecOps and automating cloud and cybersecurity to achieve their goals.
Oh, I got it. We could do an action movie where we're saving the world from cyber terrorists.
Cyber terrorists. Okay, so like, what if we're superheroes?
Yeah.
And like we all have different powers.
I want to be invisible.
You want to be invisible?
Yeah.
You need laser vision too.
Yeah,
And I'm
sure.
gonna be super strong.
Yeah.
And Stephanie can fly.
Yeah.
We'd be like invisible, laser, strong, flying people.
Yeah.
Again, those ideas are great, but they are not realistic for our budget or our message. Can we please focus on something that would actually showcase our services, what we do to help other businesses,